about to change.
It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution.
Can't stop what I've been on. Into the great beyond. Can't stop what I've become. You can't stop me now. Can't stop what I've been on. Into the great beyond. Can't stop what I've become. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me. Everything's about to change. It'll be the same. It'll be the same. It'll be the same. It'll be the same. It'll be the same.
It's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
In love, you will become humble. Kaya aminin natin na mas mahal kita. That is true love. Pero kung ikinahiya mo na mas mahal kita, pagdudahan mo yon. Kaya nga, no, totoo, yung mga magkasintahan kapag sinasabing, I love you, the correct reply is, I love you more. That is the only correct reply. Kapag sinabi mong, I love you too, kulang yan. Kulang. Dapat, I love you, ang sagot ay, I love you more.
Sa dami ng nangyayari, saan ba ako lalapit?
Maraming salamat sa paghintay. Thank you for your unwavering patience, for believing in us even when the road was uncertain, and for walking this journey with me every step of the way. I vow to honor the love we have shared, to be your partner in all things. Through all of life's challenges and joys, I promise to never take you for granted. The sacrifice you've shown, I will be right by your side, cheering you on with all of my heart.
Okay, Pama. Friendly Pama. Aking gift ko sa'yo. Thank you. Aldous, yan. Okay, welcome. Okay, Phoenix, yan po yung sa inyo.
To the man who still never fails to make an effort every day, to the man who always supports me, thank you for choosing me. Thank you for being protective like a brother and supportive like a father. Salamat kasi maliban sa papa ko, sa'yo ko naranasan ulit maging paborito.
Hanggang sa pagtulog, sa'yo ang pag-ikot.
First kay RG. Next kay Chona. Ito for my cousin. Sarah. Ay. Saan ang aking mahi? Ate Pita, surprise!
Bigat na ang iyong dibdib.
Mercy. Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Roy na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Roy, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Presi na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Kaysa sa lumungin.
I cannot promise perfection, but I do promise patience, understanding, and love. Alam mo yan. Mahal, today, I give you my hand in marriage to pick you up when you're down and to pat your back when you're not feeling well. I know challenges will come our way, but as long as we face them together and with God, I believe we can overcome anything. Today, I offer you my hands to help, to hold, and to have forever. I love you.
Tila ako'y